The Shark UltraCyclone Pet Pro Plus is a powerful and compact handheld vacuum that excels in cleaning stairs, offering excellent maneuverability and performance for quick cleanups. Weighing in at a mere 2.4 pounds, it is incredibly lightweight, making it an ideal option for anyone who needs to carry a vacuum up and down stairs without strain. Its small size also means it's easy to store, tucking away neatly in a closet or on a shelf when not in use. Despite being compact, the UltraCyclone comes equipped with useful accessories, such as a crevice tool for cleaning tight corners and a miniature motorized turbo brush that's designed to tackle pet hair. However, the vacuum does have a few limitations that potential buyers should consider. First, the battery life is on the shorter end of the spectrum, offering just over 10 minutes of cleaning time on a full charge. This might be sufficient for quick, small messes, but if you're looking for a more extensive cleaning session, you'll likely find the short runtime a bit frustrating. Additionally, while the turbo brush works well on larger debris, it struggles with shorter strands of pet hair, which could be a drawback for pet owners with fur-covered furniture or carpets. The UltraCyclone's dirt compartment is relatively spacious compared to some other handheld vacuums, reducing the frequency with which you'll need to empty it. However, its filtration system doesn't include a HEPA filter, meaning it may not be the best choice for those with allergies, as it doesn't seal in fine particles as effectively as other models on the market. If allergy prevention is a key concern, you might want to explore alternatives like the Shark WNDVAC, though this model also suffers from a similarly short battery life. Overall, the Shark UltraCyclone Pet Pro Plus is an excellent handheld vacuum for people looking to clean stairs and tackle small messes quickly. Its portability and ease of use make it stand out, though it may not be ideal for those needing extended battery life or allergy-friendly filtration. If your primary focus is tackling short pet hair and spot cleaning, this vacuum offers a solid solution without the hassle of a bulky, full-size vacuum.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.